Entertainment.
Good morning, good morning. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I just literally like woke up. I just went in the bathroom, put my hair up. I just literally woke up. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Friday, guys. Whew. Sorry for my, well, I'm not late. I said between 9:20 and 9:30. I'm here. Good morning. What's going on, yo, Quet? Good morning, good morning. I just literally woke up. Hold on just a second, y'all. Whew, gotta get me some water. Good morning, what's going on? What's going on? I ain't gonna lie, I started to, but when I say I'm gonna do something, I go through with it. Anybody took some trades this morning? I love the way it's moving right now. It's not choppy, it's not consolidated, it's moving. It's tagging this 1 hour fair value gap right now. Both ES and, well, I didn't make the 1 hour fair value gap with ES. Let me do that. And it's digging into this 1 hour fair value gap right now. It's dumping. It is dumping. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. I just woke up, y'all, like 5-10 minutes ago. Kind of overslept a little bit, so pardon all the sniffing and stuff. You know, you have those just caught the dropping fund. It was down, but we entered, and yeah, I blew my Topstep last night. Price action. I was gonna cancel the live for today because I really don't want to trade in this price action. But being that I be transparent with you guys, I blew it. I lost 1,200 on my Topstep last night during Asian session. Trying to trade it. Price was just, let me see if I can show it. Is this it? Basically all this right here. No, that wasn't it. And all this right here. What happened? Well, I took the limit off because I feel like it was a do or die, because I wanted to go ahead and catch that move. But Nas basically kept playing with me all throughout the whole session. Like literally every time I was getting in, I was getting reversed. Every time, like literally order fill, it just boom. All right, lost money on that. Order fill, it just kept like ducking and diving me yesterday. So I thought I was gonna catch the move, but the move ended up happening like after the fact. because it says 7 p.m. is when it started right here on this candle. It started to dump, but it did this for 3 hours. It did this for 3 hours and consolidate. Price is moving. Wow. Let me go to the 15. I marked the Asian high. It didn't take out the Asian high. Yesterday's afternoon high is still up here. The new day opening gap is still up there. I mean, it was already tagged. Nasir, yeah, it was chopping last night. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. I'm just ready for 2025 at this point. I've never been ready for a new year to start in my entire life. Like, I'm so tired of this price action. I'm so tired. Yeah, we knew better than not to trade that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So, I'm gonna trade my funded futures account. I'm up now 191. The only reason why I'm trading it is because I can't be inactive for 7 days, so I have to take a trade on it. And I don't want to get... Good morning, Reese. Good morning. Gotta try being done after 1 or 2 trades. Yeah, I'm trying. Asian session in December. Yeah, it's like I'm learning a lot in this month of December. Like, next year, when next year comes, it's definitely going to be less trading in December. So that's the best thing to do, is kind of avoiding price. That's why all of the top streaming people, basically your mentors and all that, is not trading. The people I follow with streaming, they're not trading right now. So that is a lesson to next year, not to trade in December. Well, I'm gonna say not to trade, but to take less trades in December. But it is what it is. It happens. Like I said, with this channel, this is the real. Like, I don't have it all together. This happens. It is what it is, bro. It's like I gotta learn from it, because I did take some screenshots and journal it. Just learn from it. Good morning, Kashaya. Good morning. Anybody? Well, I know somebody said he took this drop right here. I'm basically waiting for like a something. It took the low. It did take the low right here. Yeah, after it took the low, it didn't really give me like any fair value gaps. Let me see. But yeah, like I said, I was kind of behind this morning, so I wasn't really. I marked my zones like when I woke up, but other than that, like the time was just flying, just like prices tanking like right now. So let me go to the higher time frame and see what's going on. Think about the money, you guys losing trades. Yeah. You right. How's my month on it? I traded on it Christmas Eve. I'm up 191 on it so far. I'm gonna end up trading it this morning, but I might do like 1 or 2 contracts. Not risking a lot because of the conditions. But as of right now, price is just dumping. Like, that's why I'm looking at the higher time frame and look at the bigger picture. But price is literally just dumping right now. Excuse me. You almost at max drawdown. I lost my Topstep last night. That's what I was just talking about. You're not the only one. That's why I like just being transparent with you guys, because it still happens, even when you think you have it all together, or you've made money, or you are profitable. You still have those moments where you blow account. So it is what it is. You can't dwell on it too much. Learn from it though. And just what I'm learning from it is just not to trade so much in December, because it's like the price action is trash. Like, which I knew that going into it, but I just thought that price would go ahead and go in that direction, and it just didn't. It just chopped up for the whole freaking Asian session. Yeah, you're not the only one. We in this together. You're not the only one. We have about 1, 2, 3. We have 4 days. Well, 3 days. No, 4 days. 4 days until 2025. So we gotta hang in there. There's better price action coming. But at the end of the day, we have to learn how to trade in bad conditions also, which I've kind of accepted the challenge of doing that being a daredevil and trading in December when I shouldn't be. But, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm just ready for the new year to start. Yeah. Good morning, Donald Trump. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, you're definitely not the only one. Sheesh. I mean, it's not. Let me look at the daily time frame. I'm trying to. What is the draw? At this point, we have a low right here. Higher time frame, internal, sell side, liquidity right here. I mean, price is just dumping. Good morning, Graves. No trading day or paper trading. Yeah. It's dumping. Maybe it's trying to dump to this low. I really wanted to take out last week's high, but it seemed like it's not trying to do that. That's the objective. That was my the world. It just did that by itself. What the heck is going on? They don't want me to see the Good morning, Michelle. Good morning. Good morning. This is last week's high. I wanted to see if it was going to take out last week's high. That's like the weekly objective, but look like instead it's trying to take last week's low because it's dumping. I mean, it is dumping. Like, that's not playing right now. It's just dumping right now. It pushed right through that 1 hour gap. It inverted it right here. I mean, it ain't playing. Good morning, Citizen Zero. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, you right, Nasir. You're right. I mean, I'm good. I mean, it's like I done blew so many accounts like in my trading journey. I just know it's bound to happen, but you just have to trade responsibly when you can, but sometimes it just don't work out that way. Just have to accept it. That's it. That's all you can do. Good morning, good morning. If you're new here and happen to stumble upon my live for the first time, tell me where you from. Tell me where you from. Thank you guys for pulling up. Yep, I sure did, Michelle. I sure did. I sure did. I ain't gonna lie, I got a little discouraged. I wasn't gonna go live this morning, but I was like, you know what? I said I was gonna be transparent. Like, I'm here. This is what happens. This is the real with trading. You blow accounts. California. Yeah, Topstep, Michelle. California in the house. Okay. That's what's up. Good morning, T Money. Good morning. Oh, Reese, you got your Topstep account? Trying to get used to these contracts. Minnie and Marcos, I'll get it though. Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. Finally. I'm not sure if I said it, but yeah, Topstep, Michelle. Yep. I blew it all. Alright, well, we heading up to this 950 macro here for the first time. Botswana, Africa. Wow, welcome, Daniel. Thank you for pulling up. Welcome. Thank you for pulling up. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. We're gonna see if we find something. If not, if price starts chopping up, then it's gonna be a paper trade. because I'm trading on my funded futures account. I'm up only 191 bucks, and I'm not really trying to, just like yesterday, I'm not really trying to put it at risk. But being that price is dumping, I'm just hoping that I find either a reversal or like a continuation trade. We heading up to the 950 macro, but it done left the daily high for the day from 7 this morning. It done left Asian high. It did not take out the Asian high. And yesterday's noon high around 12:15 yesterday still hasn't been taken. So we got a little bit of highs up there that price could possibly take out, but the way it's dumping right now, it may just be a continuation down. I'm trying to see if there's, there's not really, there's an hourly fair value gap right here. I don't know. It just keeps dumping. I don't think it's trying to reverse at all. Like, I don't think it's trying to reverse. I mean, price is just dumping and dumping and dumping. Like, it's not playing. Price moved this morning and it thought about some sell side liquidity, and it is dumping. It tapped into this. Okay, so the draw could be this 1 hour fair value gap here, and this higher time frame sell side liquidity that I have marked down here. But let me see if there's like a let me see if there's like a overall sell side. Yeah, this the weekly sell side right here. Let me see. Yeah, these equal lows down here, if it want to come all the way down. But this is last week's low. Okay, I think I'm gonna relabel this. Let's see, previous weekly low. That's what I'm gonna do. So it is previous weekly low, so it could be trying to draw to that. I mean, dang, sheesh. It's okay, we're all humans. I overtraded and went until Tuesday yesterday. Blue 4 accounts back at today with a win on a new account. Okay, that's what's up. That's what it's all about. It happens. We just gotta fight through it and learn from it. As long as we're learning from it, that's what matters. And for me, I just shouldn't have been trading. After I got chopped up twice, I give myself 2 trades. I shouldn't have traded after that. 50K one contract on mini with stops. 50 ticks or less. 50 less with 2 trades. That's not very much game changer. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. Yo, quit. But that's for me. That's per trade, like $250 per trade. Cause I really don't want to risk no more than like 400 a day. I mean, sheesh. How far is price gonna dump at this point? ES 1 hour fair value. Wait, is this 1 hour? Yeah, ES 1 hour fair value gap is untouched. Yeah, ES fair value 1 hour fair value gap has not been touched. NAS has been touched down here. So yeah, looking at ES and then looking at NAS fair value gap has been touched. ES hour fair value gap has not been touched. So, and if I find a better setup on ES, then I'll take it. This is the 5-minute over here on ES. But we're heading up to a 950 macro. Yeah, 200 then. Yeah. ES is tapping this 1 hour fair value gap. Want to see how it reacts off of that. It's pulling back a little bit, but there is a 5 minute. I still wouldn't want to take that trade because it still has another one right here. So I would want it to come up here. But I want to see how far it's gonna pull back because it's been dumping since 9:30. It's been dumping since market open at 9:30. So matter of fact, it's been dumping since 8:30 open. Actually, right here. This wouldn't have been a bad trade to take right here at the 850 macro. It tapped into this gap and then dropped. But it didn't take out the low first. This is before it took out the low. So I'm gonna just watch it. I'm gonna just watch it and just see. ES has tapped the 50% of this hourly gap. The 5 minute gap for ES is right here. I'm gonna darken that one though. Okay. We got about 2 minutes until the 950 macro and see if price reacts the way I want it to react off of this, then I'll be in for sales. Stop loss gonna be very tight. It's gonna be like right here, bro. I'm not playing. My stop loss gonna be the high of this candle or this fair value gap. This 3 candle fair value gap formation. I really can do the second candle, but being that it's so close, I'm gonna just do that candle. Yeah, over trading, yeah. Yeah, that's basically what I did last night. Let me see what my take profit would be. Probably the end of this low right here, probably. Tap the 50% of this right here. Nas didn't touch nothing. I don't understand why it says 13. I have the 12. Indicators be blowing me. And NAS didn't touch this. ES didn't either, but it did touch the 50% of that hourly gap though. Yeah, I'll only be looking for it to take out this low. That's if it even touched that though. And I need to see the way it'll react off of this gap right here. Because if it just go up into it, then it's invalid. Alright, look like Nez might be tapping into this, but I needed to tap up here. I don't need nothing left. No inefficiency, no imbalance left before it drops. Because I can take a sell here, but for some reason, if it takes this low, it can go right back up there, and then I'll be in drawdown. Just for it to tap this. I don't have time for that. Hi, Thurl. What's up? What's up? Thank y'all for pulling up to my stream. Okay, Nas just tapped into this 5 minute. But I'm not buying it. I call cap. This could pose as a breakaway gap, but it's just, I feel like this gap is come on now. This gap is 56 wide. 56 wide. I don't know. I doubt it if it's gonna leave a whole 50 points right here in this gap. Absolutely not. Do you edit your own videos? Yes, I do, but I haven't really been posting no videos lately though, because I've been streaming live. But I want to what's the call, do like vlogs and stuff, but I gotta learn how to like do footage and stuff like that. Learn how to put it all together and stuff, which I do use CapCut. I know how to use CapCut, but I'm not that good at it, honestly. Okay, US 30 just tapped into this right here and just took off. This whole 9 o'clock candle, it just came in here and just sheesh. Anybody else who has traded? I know one person said they caught this sale right here. They caught this drop. I ain't gonna lie, I was just not waking up. I was just not waking up. I call cap on that. Is if it do drop off of that, it's probably gonna take this low and then push back up, or take this low, keep going, acting like it's gonna do something, and then freaking reverse up to this. I don't think it's just gonna leave 50 ticks, 50 points open. This fair value gap is 50 freaking points wide. 52. Oh, let me see. 52 points wide. Ain't no way it's gonna leave that open. Look at it. Absolutely not. Now, ES, it rejected off the 50% here. It still hasn't tapped into this. This fair value gap on ES is only... Well, ES is different from NAS, though. I don't even know what's the equivalent to 2 ticks. I know that's more than 2, but I don't even know how to measure that. I want to say it could be 20 ticks. I don't know. It has an 8 right there. I'm not sure. Let me... Okay, that's equal to 1 contract. So 2 on ES. Well, hold on. Let me go to micros. Yeah, it's still... Yeah. 2 points is 1 contract. Okay, so this basically one point. What's up? Yeah, I'm streaming. What's up, Mick? Mick, I'm gonna call you Mick Mike. Is that okay? Because I don't know whether to say Mike or Mick. Sweat. I haven't taken any trades yet. That's my Fun and Futures account right here. I'm really waiting on NAS to kind of pull back and then drop again because it was such a freaking impulsive sell, impulsive drop at 9 o'clock. So I'm looking for some type of pullback to keep pushing down lower. I normally would look for like a reversal, but being that this push was so dramatic, I don't want to go against the trend because we are officially in a downtrend. Especially looking on the 1 minute, like it's been pushing down actually since freaking 7:10 this morning, which is the daily high right now. We've been lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It just kept in a downtrend right now. So it's like when it's pushing down like this, you kind of want to go with the trend, but be aware of reversals. And see, this the 1 minute. Gotta be careful because this can be a little SMT, and it can push up and displace higher. So, you know, I'm trying to look out for that too. Look out for a reversal because you can get caught up in a reversal. Good morning, Champion Trades. Michael. Okay, got you. Champion Trade. Good morning. Would you be willing to edit videos for money? I don't know. Because I don't want nobody expecting me to have like bomb editing and then when they get it, it's trash. And then they want a refund. Probably not. I know how to go about doing like the transition and stuff between the scenes and stuff, but good morning, Audrey. What's up? I don't feel confident in editing videos for money right now. I can barely edit my own videos, to be honest. That's why I haven't really been doing any other videos right now. I've just been streaming to gain my audience up, so you guys can see me trade live and whatnot. Okay, on the 1 minute, it did tap this right here. Let's see, yes. I still call cap though. It's equal lows down here. We in a 950 macro though. Yeah, just took out these equal lows here. NAS just took out these equal lows. I use CapCut. It's pretty simple. It's not that hard to catch on, but it's still things I kind of struggle with. Like, it took me a couple of hours just to edit my freaking thumbnail for my live stream. And I did that actually on what is called Canva. I edited my thumbnail on Canva. I mean, it's straight, it's presentable, but I still didn't like it. I like it that my blue is my favorite color, that's why I use blue, but I still don't like it. I still like I could have cut myself out a little more cleaner, but you're not gonna always be perfect with it, so. Okay, it just took out this low right here. ES and NAS just took out this low. Whoa. Good morning, DJ VIP. Well, dang. This was on a 1 minute, but the 5 minute, it just looked like it should have tapped into that. It should have tapped into this right here, but on the 1 minute, this could have been an entry right here. But stop loss could have been either right here or right here. Advice 1 minute. Advice 1 minute. A small time frame should be used for only entry. Lots of noise. Buyers or buyers on front of the daily. Also get up early. I say around 7 minutes. 8 minutes later. 1 minute is smaller. Time frame should be used for only entry. You should buyers on the front. Well. I normally do get in on a 1 minute, but sometimes you can catch entries on like the 5. But I only do like 1 to 5 minute entries. And I think I had one entry like maybe last week. It was actually on a 15 minute because it was such a it was a wedge. And then like that's when FOMC hit, and then like it dropped after that. So I guess that's why I just go through all the time frames. I go through like the 1 and the 5 and then the 15, and I go to the hourly to see the bigger picture. Like right now, I think the drawn liquidity is this hourly fair value gap right here. It only tapped in it. It's tapped in it. Last time it tapped was Monday, December the 23rd at 10 a.m. So this could possibly be the draw right now, honestly. So this was an entry right here. Now we're in silver bullet time now. You'll see a daily, but I didn't look at. Yeah, I looked at the daily earlier. Yeah, there's no daily gaps. That's why I was looking at the 1 hour. All you have is wicks. This previous weekly low right here. That's why I was looking at the 1 hour time frame. But it looked like this right here on the 1 minute was the entry. What? What? No. You're gonna have it all over the floor.
I'm just gonna
No, you're gonna have it all over the floor. You're gonna have it on your face, on your kneecaps and all of that. No, you don't know how to play with it.
That's not the thing.
I said no. Play with something else.
I don't have nothing else.
Yes, you do. You have toys in there that you can play with. You have other stuff that you can play with. You're not getting that phone right now because it's not charged. My goddaughter, she plays with. Y'all know the slime. If anybody have kids in here, you have the slime, and this type of slime is like dust, and she leaves it all on the floor. And she's 7, so make a deal. Yeah. And and it's like she's still in her toddler days, so in her head sometimes, so she just leaves it everywhere. She don't like cleaning up, so I'm not about to clean up no slime. I'm sorry. Yeah, who said that? Don't get in front of the train. Yeah. I missed the entry on the 1 minute, so it's like it was right here. On Tuesday, December 24th, Friday, tickets price and ran right through. You don't see it. Oh wait. Yeah, this daily gap right here. Yeah. Yeah, it ran right through it. That's why I didn't really look at it, because it already done. It's just there now at this point. Hey, best friend. But yeah, it ran right through it. It didn't stop or nothing. It just ran right through it. So that's why I just looked at this 1 hour gap here, and it just there's nothing really to look at in that daily fair value gap. I'm smiling. Yep, it did the same thing with ES. Ran right through that. And the hourly was in there. Was in that one. No, I don't. That job's strong. It's like, that's the type of candle you only leave on for like 5 minutes and turn that joke off. No, she don't, because it's not charged. You just was in here asking can she play with her slime. And I said no, because you're going to leave all that stuff all on the floor. Something in my eye, and it's aggravating me. All that stuff that she got, she can play with other stuff. It is a need to be in the living room. Oh yeah, you're right. So I can go around the whole house. Yeah, I was gonna call her. I mean, I don't even know where it's at. I would expect to stop hunting back. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm looking for, thorough. Yeah. But yeah, but today Friday. It ain't really gonna be no agent session today. Okay, best friend. I ain't gonna lie, I'm glad today Friday, because I'm through with this. I don't even think I'm trading next week, y'all, to be honest. Cause you got New Year's Eve, and you got New Year's Day. So New Year's Eve, you know, prop firms and stuff gonna be closing early, and then New Year's Day is gonna be closed. I was gonna check on her. I love you too. I mean, they have the TV on in there, watching TV.
How much money can I make as a 23-year-old?
Whoa. Jesus. Starting to consolidate. Took out this low here. Took out this low. I don't wanna just anticipate on a reverse. Yeah, you're right. Us ICT folks not stick together. Yes, man, but I'm not gonna lie. When the market be, when the conditions don't be feasible, it's like it targets all ICT traders. Because I know when we was getting into December, and with all this trashy price action, it's like everybody that I followed that uses ICT concepts was losing. So it's like you just got to be careful. Well, I don't know, guys, because it's like if I don't catch something between 10 and 11, then I'm gonna have to sit here until the afternoon. I ain't gonna lie. I don't think I'm gonna do that. But there was an opportunity though, right here. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I haven't finished it. I haven't finished the 2022 mentorship. So I still have a lot to learn, a lot to study. I'm just showing my journey, you know. Adam, yes, in the past with Forex, but as far as ICT, I have not, because it's for free. For ICT, just go to his YouTube. I just go to his YouTube. Even though he talks a lot, but it's like you have to go through it. Yeah, this was the move right here. This was the trade. I don't even know where I would have had. Okay, I probably would have aimed for the top of this hourly gap right here. But it's already done dropped freaking 158 ticks. That's crazy. That's what I'm saying. Like when the conditions are good, Nas do 100 plus points every day. When it be trash, it only a few. Like, because it consolidates, it fakes out and do all that crazy stuff. So what's my IG? I don't have an IG for my particular like trading page or whatever. I gotta kind of fix it. I can't think of the name. I gotta like go through it and delete a lot of pictures and stuff if I want to use my personal IG. I just have YouTube right now because I just started my channel like the beginning of this month, I believe. This is my 4th week and I've been streaming every day since, I want to say like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I think it's been like, I think this is the 3rd week though. I think I started streaming in the 2nd week of this month, I think. You see me look up, I have my calendar up here. That's why I'm looking up. But yeah, I like to draw is this hourly gap right here. So what I'm trying to see what could happen, because this was the move before 10, and between 10 and 11 is a silver bullet, so I'm looking for that silver bullet. But hopefully we can find some type of reversal off of this. If it comes down here and tap into this 1 hour, we can see some type of reversal. If not, it might just keep dropping, bro. But I do have my levels on the daily time frame. Like this is the previous weekly low right here. This counter is the previous weekly low. So that's like the huge, like monumental low that it can aim for right now. Yeah, it's about 550 ticks away from it right now. And it already has dropped freaking, let me see, from 8 a.m. it already done dropped 400 ticks already. No, Adam, I haven't. I don't smoke though. I ain't smoked in a while. It's been a long time. I mean, dang, boy, that job is... golly. I mean, look at ES. Both of them just... trying to leave 2024 with a bang, huh? We still have 2 more days, though. Monday and Tuesday, but... jeez, boy. Man, whoever caught this right here is eating right now. Yeah, literally disgusting. Especially if you couldn't find the entry, but I missed my entry right here, man. Yep, it's about to tap the hourly gap right now. The top of it, anyway. I play piano. I first started off on the drums, though. But you know, growing up in church, everybody a drummer, so I just decided to do piano, and it's less work. All I gotta do is move my fingers. I don't have to do too much work at all. So alright, so I'm looking for a possible reversal. I'm not sure how far it may go up, but anytime price dump like this, it's gonna push right back up. How did I grow my... I'm still growing it, actually. Just streaming, really. Streaming. But I started doing my videos first. I started recording myself trading first. I started recording myself trading Asian session and then New York session. And then I'll edit those videos and then I'll just post them. But I figure it'll be less editing if I just stream it. Because it can become like a little tedious, but it's like if you're a YouTuber, you just got to do it like, and that's what I'm learning. Like if you really like want to post on YouTube consistently, like you have to continue to post. But I feel like I just want to grow my audience with streaming, though, you know. And it has really helped my channel grow. Just showing my genuine self, just taking trades, you know. And I figured that'll give more value to people, because a lot of people really want to see the real when people be trading. So I figure I'll just do that for right now. I don't know, it may change in the future, but as for right now, because I know I'm a good trader, but if I make serious money and if I well, when that time comes for me to make money and stuff, and I may charge, but like for my day ones, like you guys, I wouldn't. It would just basically be people new coming in, you know what I'm saying? This period I recommend channels on YouTube. Okay, Jay. Oh, you here? What's up, Jay? It's so annoying when the market takes off and there's nowhere to get in. I know, Adam. I know. But it was actually an opportunity right here, though. It was. When I didn't see it, I saw it. I saw when it was rejecting it, but I've got burnt so many times trying to like go with it, and it just reverses. So I had they call that something. I forgot what it's called, but I just didn't get in. I could have got in right there, because it was equal lows down here, and why it did it while I was saying it, and it took out this low. So I'm not trying to force myself in nothing, because I already missed the original entry. So I'm not usually that cautious. It's just the conditions is what making me real cautious. But I normally would have just got in right there. But I've been burnt, especially I've been burnt 4-5 different ways last night. an Asian session, so it's like I'm just real freaking cautious. And sometimes being overly cautious cost you positions like that. That was a freaking $200 point drop right there. I be here every day. I know, yeah, I know. I appreciate you. Good morning, Jamal. Good morning, good morning. I appreciate you, Jay, for that. But I know you and Michelle and I think Kashaya, Reese, Trader Grave, and T Money. I remember all y'all. Do you limit the amount of trades you take per day? I need to. I just give myself the amount of trades, of money that I want to, like my limit. But I don't give myself a limit on how many trades, because it may take me 10, 20 trades to get profit. You know, it shouldn't take that much. That's a lot. But, you know, do you risk the same per trade? It depends. Hey, King Reaper. That's Mario? Mario, is that you? I can't see a picture. Let me see. How is the trading going? I don't know. He got his, but do I risk the same? It depends. It really depends on the stop loss. It really depends. Now, see how it's pushing up? Are you copy trading? No. It's like I want to, but if I'm having like a bad losing streak, that means all my accounts will be gone. Like, but if I were to do it, if I have like 4 accounts, say if I have 4 Topstep, for example, 4 combines, it's like I will only want to copy trade those 2, because I don't know. I'm just real cautious about that. But man, you can make a lot of money. I know a couple of people, not personally, but I know a couple of people on YouTube that be killing it with the copy trading game. Like if you really a disciplined trader, you can really make a lot of money copy trading, bro. Cause I know one guy. He has like 20 Apex accounts and he only make 200 on per account. That's what, 2,000 in a day between all accounts. But and you'll only be down 200 on the account, but I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm trying to see. I do not see a SMT. I do not see a SMT. But it looked like it is invert. What the? It's this mouse. I just changed my mouse and this thing be doing some weird stuff. It is inverting this, and I would put my stop loss right there. No, he's a white guy. I want to say his name is Matt or something like that. I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna be careful on the reverses because let me see. Last night did me in as well. Yeah, Matt trades. I think that's him. Yeah. But it's been a while since I watched his YouTube. But I know when I first started trading on Topstep in May, I happened to come. Okay, hold on. I missed out on some comments. 2 accounts up. 1 account down. 1 blown today. Yep, it happens, man. Okay, I can start talking again. Your girl was down. 1100, but I just scalped that buy and now I'm only down. Okay. Yeah, don't try to pick up the bottom. No trade for me yet. Still waiting for a good setup. Yeah. Matter of fact, let me take a look at this RSI real quick. Even though I don't trade it, but I like to know where the market is. Okay, so it's at like 42, 34. So yeah, the RSI is low. But I like when they get to like 20 something. Or like even 30. that's the time to buy. But it was just right here. It was just down here. Shoot, it came down all the way to 10. But right here, yeah, it pushed up a little bit, but that wasn't even, yeah, that wasn't even a move right there. Oh shoot, why I pull this thing down? I just delete you all together since you don't want to move. Had to scout the big dog in queue. I'll wait for a 3-segment move to trade reversal. I don't know. I think it's gonna because ES, it didn't tap into this 1 hour gap at all. So I think it may tap into it a little bit before, if it reverses, I think it's gonna tap into it a little bit before it reverses. I don't know, might be able to catch a little turtle soup or something. I mean, this is too steep of a freaking drop though. I slick wanted to invert this and drop though. And like you gotta look at it from all angles, like not just the reversal. You gotta look at it for sales as well when they come down to these fair value gaps. Because just like how it can reverse and buy off of it, it can invert it and dip and drop. But yeah, it got these equal lows down here. I think it's finna freaking... Yeah, these equal lows down here. I think it's finna tap. I think it's finna take that out. In about 20 minutes, we have another macro. I watched a video on taking partial. They were saying take a partial if you. Yeah, that's what I do sometimes, Jamal. I do take partials, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm not familiar with it on TradingView. I know like if it gets to a particular point, then it'll do it. It'll take it out. Move into practice account for tape reading. Oh, okay. 21,400. Oh yeah, that's about the 50% of that hourly gap, DJ. It look like it's inverting this. I'm not gonna lie. The ES is inverting this. It might be an ES trade. Let me see what the stop loss looking like. Stop loss would probably be... There they go arguing again. I don't know. That's a little dangerous because it can wick the crap out of that 50% of that hourly gap down there. Something is in my eye, bruh. That's a target for the what? That's a target move for the next. Oh. Yeah, that's basically the 50% of that hourly gap. I can't stand when something gets in my eye. And it just took out them equal lows. It just took out these equal lows. I could be setting up for an S&T. I don't think it's gonna reverse just yet. I think it's gonna dip a little lower before I do that. I gotta be careful because I'll forever be chasing after you. Alright guys, I may take God dang it, before I can even just hold on a second, Naz. Dang. It already done passed my freaking entry that would have been right here. ES just took it out. Ugh. I think I blame it on whatever's in my freaking eye. Keep missing these doggone entries, bro. But it just took out this low. Ah, dang it. Okay, see how ES just rejected off of that 1 hour gap? I'm telling you. God, he ain't playing with us today. That was gonna be my entry right there when it broke this fair value gap, but it just, as soon as I was like, alright guys, it just dipped right on in there. I ain't about to chase. I don't want to chase price, bro. I don't. Yes. I don't know. Now that I came back, now it's like, I don't know. It is a SMT right here. It could just buy, but Naz ain't even touched the 50%. It's always Naz, bro. It done took out these equal lows. Naz took out this low here. I don't even know if I want to take the sell now. Because I don't like the way it's moving. Because if it was going to drop, it should have just went ahead and just closed below here. I ain't got time for Naz. I ain't got time. I don't like the way it did not close below here. I'm not getting in sales. And even if ES closed below, but that hourly fair value gap, we tagged it. Alright guys, I think now it's about to form my famous displacement. I think. The nasty NASDAQ, right? So this is what I want price to do. I want it to come up here, take out this high to the left, leave a fair value gap, and continue to trade higher. I'm just use this as a fair value gap. This is what I want price to do. I want price to take out this high, and I want to come back down and just push up. That's what I want price to do. We have a pending SLT right here, but I just don't like the fact that it's right above a freaking hourly fair value gap that it can tap into. So I'm just gonna watch it. We are headed into a 1050 macro, so I just gotta make sure price matches with time. But this is what I'm looking for though. I'm looking for price to do this and possibly going on ahead and take out the Well, it's so down. All the levels are up here, so. But I think I'm gonna only look for like 50 ticks though. It really depends on how it's moving. But this is what I'm looking for, y'all. I wanted to take out this high over here. You gotta take out this high in order for me to get in. But NAS can do the total opposite. It can just totally invalidate this SMT and trade lower into that hourly fair value gap. I gotta get my fan. This is getting out of control. I gotta dry it out. Whatever is in there is making my freaking... Every woman needs a fan. You get the sweats. I sweat a lot. I sleep with it. Keeps me cool. Alright. Sometimes it can be a piece of freaking hair in my eye that's causing all of this. Okay, so you can see ES also has a SMT. Whoa, see, I'm gonna have to retire this mouse quickly, swiftly. I don't like all that movement. It just gyrating. It just did. So okay, same with ES. You got to come up here though. You got to come out here and take that high. But I feel like it might not take out this high. It might go ahead and form it like right here and then come back down. But if it come back down, that means it's gonna stay into this consolidation. Well, I wouldn't say it's consolidate. Well, it kind of is slick consolidation. This right here is slick consolidation, guys. So it could be a breakout and retest setup. I just needed a breakout, come back down and retest. This lines up with the breakout and retest situation. So that's what I'm waiting on. If I don't get that, I'm not taking a trade. Point blank, period. I ain't got time for this. I'm not about hopping on sales and then it just freaking reverse on me out of nowhere. I'm not doing that. The family chat is going in. What's happening? Anybody in a trade right now? Anybody trading any other pairs? I only trade NAS, but I don't mind looking at... I look at US 30 sometimes. Ooh. Ooh wee. Oh, wait a minute. Let me go back to NAS. NAS is doing something. Alright. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Keep going. That's what I'm looking for, fam. Take it out. Can I put my fan down? I have to turn it off. Alright, now move that. You over it? If I can get what I want, I'll hop in buys here, but it has to be my setup to the T. Okay, it just broke out this consolidation, right? Oh, dang it. Oh, I gotta put some batteries in my mouse, my other mouse. Just got that NASBot up once he's from being down. Made sure the rest of the morning. Definitely not train my other company. Okay, Michelle. That's what's up. I needed to break this high. Same for ES. S&T formed. I need to break out. There's 10 more seconds on this candle though. And I had to learn to leave these little gaps over here because it will come down and retest it. Even if you think there's no more gaps, it'll come right back down and retest off of these gaps that's been here before. And look at that. It already done tapped into this gap already. I hope this not one of them things where NAS show a good setup and it just trashes it. It did the same thing with ES. Check out it dipped into this gap right here. I need you to take out this high right here, fam. You gotta take this high out. I'm not playing around. I could have took a buy off this right here, but it'll go right back into this consolidation. It got to break this, close above, and then whatever gap it uses, it can freaking tap into that. Same thing with ES, bro. We head into a 1050 macro, so if this can start displacing right at that 1050 macro, price will match with time, and that'll be a perfect entry. Like a bridge over troubled water. Come on, break that high. Yes, 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 yes. I would want it to tap deeper into this right here because it can break that and then come back and fill this in. But at this point, you just gotta take the risk, man. Shoot. Okay, so it just took out the high. So this will be the I guess this would be the displacement right here. After breaking this high, it comes back down, tap into this a little bit more, and then take off. That's a little awkward stop loss though. Well, no, not if I get in right here. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna do a buy stop. I don't like it coming back in that freaking consolidation though, because it can freaking tank. But I'm not gonna risk a lot. It'll be what, 200 bucks? I'm up 191 on it, so Is it gonna tap to 50%? Yep. It's in that consolidation still, man. I'd rather take it like outside of here. I'd rather do it when they get outside of that, man. Yeah. I just don't like it being that consolidation. I could have took that buy right there, but I'd rather wait for it to kind of come up out of there first. Dang, boy, the chat going in. Why are you moving slow though? I don't like the slowness. You've been doing all of this all morning. As soon as I want to get in, you want to freaking take your time. You done all this damage. Now it's done all this doggone damage. As soon as I get in, you hovering over right. What the heck? Okay, ES did the same thing. Don't like the slowness. I don't like it. Okay, we're officially in the macro time right now. So it's either gonna have volume to push down, or it's gonna have volume to push back up. It's inside this fair value gap. I just needed to go ahead and bounce off of this gap. That's actually the fair value gap that I should have took the entry off of right there. I just don't like its freaking hesitation. I don't like it. I don't like it. But it did come down and retest this consolidation box. Okay, so it lines up with my entry. 35. So it's 35 points. I'm using, oh my god, this mouse. So I'm only risking 140 bucks. I'm only risking 140 bucks, guys. I'm okay with that. I'm totally fine with that. Now, take profit. Let's see. There's some imbalance here that has to fill. Might be this 5-minute fair value gap. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's gonna be this 5-minute fair value gap up here. Or I might just take a partial right there and then let the rest run. Come on, mouse. Life is a highway, and I'm gonna ride it all night long. Why that song in my head? I have no idea. Yeah, that's that fair value gap it did not tap into. But this is my setup to the T though. Of course I could have gotten in here, but I didn't like the fact that it kind of went right back into that consolidation. Got in right when it broke out, which was the better entry right here because it did close above the consolidation. So let's just see if it holds. Once again, price action, the conditions is trash, but all you can do is just set your risk. I'm only risking 140 bucks on this trade. If you are taking this trade, use proper risk management. I am not to blame for you risking your account. I am not personally, wherever you are located, placing these trades, so it won't be my fault if you lose a funded account and you're trading on a funded account or a live account. Okay? Okay. Just letting you guys know, because there are actually people out there that blames people when they lose accounts and they take signals from people, which that's not my goal, is to give signals when I live trade. It's just to show, you know, are you averaging down? What you mean? But yeah, I like to show people, you know, how I get in the trade and stuff like that. 571. Yeah, that's my stop loss, which is in this fair value gap formation right here with these 3 candles. 1, 2, 3, and I have my stop loss at that second candle instead of that third candle to basically save risk. Because I feel like even if it taps come here, it's gonna not play out anyway. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I put my stop loss here and not at this third candle right here, where I would normally place it. Because if it comes down all the way right here, I mean, it can still consolidate and push up, but most of the time the trade really don't play out. You know what I'm saying? Added positions. Isn't it supposed to be a sell stop, not a buy limit? I think so. That's what I'm saying. I don't really trade on TradingView, so I don't know a lot about. So it'll be a sell stop. What I have up here should be a sell limit. Okay, yeah. Yeah, if y'all see something I don't know, let me know. I don't really trade on TradingView. I normally trade on Topstep, so it's my first time really. You know, I mean, well, this is my second time trading on TradingView with my funded futures, so. Not buy limit. Well, I'm in buy, so it should be a sell stop. It should be the opposite, from my understanding. And it should be 2, not 1. Can you show RQYU mark SMT? Yeah, this SMT was down here. This another reason why I was kind of iffy on taking this trade, because of this 1 hour fair value gap down here. But if you look at ES, it broke above this consolidated area right here. It didn't close. It didn't close above this high though on ES. Change this sell top. Oh yeah, I changed it. Appreciate it, Kashaya. Appreciate it. That's what I'm saying. Like I'm still learning. Like y'all, I'm not. The only difference is I'm showing my screen. So I don't claim to know it all. I don't claim to be a guru or none of that. So let's see how this trade plays out. There was also a fair value gap on ES inside of the consolidation. If it stops me out, I'm not taking another trade. I am not playing with NAS today. Because that means it's going to come down here, play around, back into this consolidation. And then it's going to do some bull crap. And I ain't got time to be trying to look for no entry inside the consolidation. So if it stops me out, that's it. I'm not taking another trade. I'm not putting my account at risk. This crappy price action. Even though it was an entry inside of it, but it was, you know what I'm saying, still consolidating and all of that. So I'm only risking 140 bucks. Not risking a lot. Right now I have 191. Well, I'm done drawdown right now, but I had $191 in there, so I'm not about to risk a lot. That's it. This is it. I do not have time to be playing around with NAS. That's what I'm saying. The conditions is trash. If it wasn't for a quarter four, like, it just would have bounced off of this and it would have been gone. But because of these crappy behind conditions, it's doing this bull crap, bro. But it's all good though. I manage my risks. I'm not risking a lot. So that's what's important. That's what's important. Because even though you lose, you're not freaking blowing your whole account and stuff like that. This is important. Yeah, ES playing around too, bro. ES already back in the doggone consolidation. So yeah, always come in the market with how much you want to risk. I don't even know how much I'm making on this trade. Just know how much you're risking, you know. But let me see. If this was to go all the way through, that's 238. That's a lot, I'm not gonna lie. So 230, it's not even on my freaking chart. But I think it'll be, if 200, it'll be over 800. It'll probably be like 850 or 950 or something like that. But so I'm not even worried about that because it's doing this crap. So yep, it's gonna be an early stream today, y'all, because I'm not playing with NAS today. I'm not playing with NAS today. We have 2 more days, well, trading days. We have 2 more trading days left in this year. I'm not playing around with NAS. And it's probably gonna go ahead and keep dropping because ES is back in this area, this consolidation. So gonna see how long it's gonna, this fair value gap gonna hold. Well, guys, it's gonna stop me out. This is what happens. Crappy price action. That's exactly why I didn't want to trade on my account. Yep. Exactly why I didn't want to trade on my account. It gave a SMT. It had a high here. This was my setup to the T. It just didn't work out. And this is the only risk I had going into this trade, is because it was a 1 hour fair value gap down there. So it's probably going down there to tap into this 1 hour fair value gap. So yep, I'm done trading for today, guys. That's it. It's probably gonna come down here and take out this low and then drop into that. Yep, so my balance is now at 45 bucks. This is my last stream of 2024. I'm letting y'all know right now. This is it. I'm not streaming Monday. I'm not streaming Tuesday. I've had it. I've had it with this price action. I am done trading for 2024. So, yep. It's the last stream of 2024, guys. Thank you guys so much for pulling up. I appreciate all of y'all. God bless all y'all. Y'all have a blessed weekend. And I want to say it'll probably be Thursday, December the 2nd, that I'll be streaming. So, ooh, you came at the very end. Yeah, I took a trade. I just lost, actually. I just lost. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, so I will be trading Thursday, which is the January the 2nd, but I won't be trading Friday because my best friend is having surgery, and I have to be her, happy holidays, Viola, and I have to be her designated driver. So I won't be streaming Friday, but I will be streaming Thursday. I might like trade on my phone or something while I'm, you know, waiting or whatever. But yes, I'll be trading Thursday, but I won't be trading Friday. So I'll see you guys on Thursday. Thank you so much for pulling up. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. God bless you all, and y'all have a blessed weekend. Peace.
Entertainment.